Give me my ball. My ball. My ball.
you last night. You and DJ were playing up there. Hey, one of y'all pull that cross grab out. Oh wait, you wouldn't know what we worked on. They were the best actually. They were the best actually. But I'm not gonna lie. Big dog. one you want, yeah, no problem.
Like a big man, but I can take off.
You want this? I haven't opened it.
Yes, you have.
Hey, this one right here, you got to call him Brown.
You got a job.
Yeah, see, pass and spin.
Watch out, yo.
That's Caribbean, isn't it? I told Jay and Ray, I said, one of y'all could do the cross check and take somebody. So I'll buy whoever does the Ings.
You owe me.
I paid up.
That's not what Max said.
Listen, Maddox need a bad little kid right now. He don't deserve it.
What have you been doing?
Man, he got his ass in trouble so bad that he can't be doing tournaments right now.
You know where I'm looking
You can't even do a phone tournament?
for my dollar.
I think so. I think there's a game out there. He's still for I mean, I had to. The second game, I had to coach the big ass dude. I told him, I said, you didn't pay me enough to actually get up and run. Malachi's grandparents, they were on Thursday and they be killing them in practice. Oh my gosh, they don't see what's just normally like a lot of the stuff that they teach, they have different drills and variations.
This is the same money in the college level league, though. He like working with
Good job. It makes it easier on me. I don't have to try to control it. Honestly, they're doing it for free. I love that because, like, a lot of the stuff that I was saying to teams, like, they have ways of breaking it down that I would have never even thought of. So I learned it myself, too. You know what I mean? Like, everybody's learning in that gym. I ain't gonna be like, like too proud of a person to it. They just want to be like, oh, just watch it. Nah, bro, you know more than me, and I'm listening to you. The thing that drives me up the wall when you're working on the gym is if they're overplaying that spot, like we're really trying to get them to understand the vibe. And we're just scanning. Always feel the open space, especially do this one right here. Oh, that's Kobe. Okay. They say, yeah, they told me that they were Kobe before. I've never seen him. He looks cold. Yeah, 2-3 steps right outside that roof. To the top of the beam.
Oh, yeah.
I've been to Branson the last few times, so my Branson kids are up there that driving for me. That's right up there. And I was training with my brother, training with that link. That's what I want to do. Thank you. At this point, I could probably help you get into it because the bags are going to get
Eight to 10.
You should have come back. You should have come back away. You should be tired. The whole week.
The game that you were doing with.
Trying to get him to understand that he's at this age the best player in the area has been a struggle. He needs to work with that mentality. I tell him that all the time when he gets on the floor. I said, you're the best player out there. Be the best player. You gotta do everything. You're the best. You gotta do everything. You gotta this skill. You gotta take defense. All of it.
Shoot again.
But when that dude plays, that's not really they should go walking and shoot people who play for me and Anthony were talking about this today, actually. It's kind of funny. I've been talking to him, trying to help him with his shot. He was there for a little bit, he was shooting like this. And then he would turn, and I'm like, just hold your hand flat, your left hand, and just follow it. He listens. Yeah. Very cool. Well, maybe I'll see. Maybe I'll see him out getting a lesson up in Branson. Everybody go for Branson. If I can get this thing where you use the shooting gun and stuff. That place is great. So the shooting gun? Yeah. The machines that rebound when you shoot back out? Oh, yeah. My good practice. Autumn practice over there. Those things are so yeah. Yeah, we had the third coach. Our whole team. Yeah. You said you wanted me, so I'm here.
They can come with me. Huh?
Some people do have automatic also, it's easier to if you know people learn about
Ready? Hey, how's everything going to shoot out like? You hit shots? You better shoot today. Wait, what was you? I'm confused. Bring down Roger. What were you doing? I was there last night. But that was high school. Like that was. The movie worked on? The movie worked? You didn't see it? Y'all didn't see that? Hey, Bray. Bray. Not done yet because he didn't show up. Chayel, Chavo, come here. You see it?
I still know the move though.
You see it? No, you saw it.
What happened?
No, you two stay. You already know it.
You literally just missed number 8 the movie on Wednesday last night. He comes down short. No, with a hot stick.
Yeah, but it was effective.
Oh, he cooked me. He cooked the dude. He hit him with it. He came down. Bam.
That's what he did. No, this is what you did. It's like he was trying to dance. He was like trying to let it go.
No, don't bring me. I know nobody else. No, don't bring nobody else in it. Look, number 8. Look.
That might
And
have
that
been
little
there.
bounce right up.
That looks like a player. Come on. Only a dollar.
Talk to you smack.
No, we're tilting he wasn't playing. Give me 3.
So my got two little prodigies. My two little prodigies, he said, they played a bunch of basic 16-year-olds last night. They played AAU. Beat it by 7. Oh, they're not very good. A couple freshmen came in and cooked it. Dude, I like his game. He's up there. Yeah, we get out much.
Oh, yeah.
Did I miss the first game?
No, there'll be a game behind. I can't always embrace it. I'm not arguing with it.
How you doing?
His head was at the rim, he got that rebound. You see that? Yo, he was up there, bro. Oh, you trying to pick your school back here?
In the right direction, he's got something that's looking for.
Tanning up. Hey. Tanning up. Like, I played for 7th graders, or so 6th graders technically. I would score like 40 points. That's like, I could only post up and I would still have 30. It's like there's physically nothing they can do to stop me. I'm stronger, faster, more skilled than them. It's like some kids, their area of strength, when you're younger, it's like their area of strength. But a point guard, like 2 years older, has the same strength as you, only it's 10 times better. But 8th or high school or 8th grade is super good. Like they have like the best like kid in the area. He's huge. His name's like Adam McKnight. They always have like a 6th income. No, like he's in his parents are both there.
What helps?
6th income.
Let's go, boys. Watch the